Good evening. I think I have received two DMs in the Twitter asking me to go through the go through the Nifty. What's happening in the Nifty? The whether it is a bearish, whether it is a bullish. How do I see the Nifty? It's a question basically they asked. See, Nifty is in sideways. Right now, it is in very practically sideways. So, in order to assess this, we need to go. We can go for the bar chart. This is the bar chart. You can go with point and figure. So, point and figure basically is the one where the key directional can be found. So what has happened in the point and figure? Let's understand the perspective based on the point and figure. So this is a peak, this is the second peak. Now the second peak low has not been. Remember, this is going to take a little more time than usual. If you are not willing to see this correctly, you probably won't understand this. This has not broken the low of this 22,100. Fine. It has made a A, it has made a B, it has made a C. Fine. It has made a A, it has made a B, it has made a C. So this is 3-way, this is 3-way, and we are looking for 5 waves down the line. So it made a sharp 1, 2, 3, then it made a 4, and we are now looking for another downward momentum of wave 5. When I say downward movement of wave 5, it is because I am looking 50-point fixed number of X and O point and figure. So we are looking, say this, how they have managed to maintain this. Now it is broken and it is going down. So what I suggest? I don't suggest anything. What I see, I will explain here. See, the below 22,900 is a sell setup. Actually, it is 22,850. Is an exact sell setup based on the point and figure. What is your stop? So when it comes to 22,875, your stop remains 760 points, and your take profit remains 1:2, somewhere near here. This is a big trade. This is a big trade. Now, do I have any alternate method to confirm that this is really going down? The first thing you need to understand is that momentum is slowing down. It is not still upside. So the momentum can come down below also, can come very fast also, or can come very slow also. Point number 1. Point number 2, when you want to see something, you need a volume. Volume plays the major role. Simple volume indicator is more than sufficient. Now what's happening with the volume now? When this bar was complete, the volume was good, then the volume started shrinking. Probably in this bar, the entire short sell has been covered, because I think it's first or second of the month. And when this bar made, again the volume remained low. When this bar made, the volume remain low. I think, let me get this correctly using this. Yeah, this volume remain low, and on this volume remain low. So the volume is not supporting that, it is going upside. Volume is not supporting it. Do we have to sell it? Again, the risk remain the same. If you sell, you know it's a 760 point. Do we have something alternate where we can plan? Yes. In that case, what you can do is you can go for the candlestick pattern. At presently, this is more look like a flat pattern. Flat pattern like this. You have seen many flat pattern like this. Correct? You have seen this is A, complex B, and this is going to be C. Once this is done, we need a price to go up. Suppose if it goes upside, again this will enter in a very different complex pattern. The different complex pattern in the sense, now we know that this has made a, no, let me take this different. Okay. Now let me do it in this way. So this is one stroke, this is stroke 2. Sometimes they make stroke 3, stroke 4, and then they come for stroke 5. Yes, sometimes they go expansion also. This is, we have seen this, and this is called as triangle. Now triangle carries a certain way. 1, sometimes they make exceed, then they T, 4 and 5. This looks like an expanding triangle, but it is a triangle. It's a triangle. Triangle is nothing but a diagonal of a triangle. You can call it as a diagonal of a triangle. Okay? We have seen upper side triangles many times, like for a, let me see whether I get that. Yeah, I get it here. So this is a triangle, but this is an upper side triangle. Okay. So in this upper side triangle, this remains the high. Okay. So here I will do one thing. I think I have to reverse it. I have to flip it. Yeah. I don't have to flip it. I have to little make it in this way. So the first came low, second went slightly higher, third came almost near to it, and the fourth will be 50% of the third, and the fifth will be 50% of this. So this becomes some graphical pattern which represents a triangle. Okay, this represents a triangle. So we call it as a triangle. Okay, it is usually formed in the wave fourth. Wave fourth in the sense, this is possible. Yes, this is possible. So we don't know really, because it's not about uncertainty of Indian market. Indian market have got a very solid base. It's not about I think it's not about even the equities. Equities are very strong. They are giving very good yield. They are also having very good results. It's about the people who participating in a counter trust mode. That means they don't trust the Indian market. or they don't want the Indian market to move in a significantly performing based. So this is not issue with Indians. This is issue with someone else who is putting the money from the overseas. I think it is very interesting to understand this first. So we are looking somewhere. See, even if it gaps down tomorrow, it is a 1:1. Say for example, with some worst case, it can extend up to here, it can extend up to 23,400. From there, we are looking for one more upside. From there, we are looking for one more upside because this move is significant. For instance, if the move does not make this becomes 1, again this comes back, 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 again this comes back. If suppose if this is contracted here, that means if the contraction takes place over here, so let me use this one. If a contraction takes place over here, then we are looking for a severe gap and directly below. We are not looking for upside move. So these are the two possible patterns. Okay? Indian market doesn't have any issues. They are fundamentally strong. The issue is with someone else. Those who are basically not a good participant of the financial market. That's all what I can say. So wait for this. So don't rush for selling. Don't do anything in the middle. If it comes here, if it makes reversal and if it gives us a flag like this, it will give triple flag on the shorter time frame. Then it will make this, then it will give again triple flag. It's called triple flag. Again it will give again triple flag. When you see this, you are not going to make cross this high. Again you are going to come down. You get my point? This is what I'm looking. I'm very frankly I'm telling you. I have seen the many multiple market. I have seen commodities. In fact, I am the commodity expert. I have experience of 21 years. But the problem is, India is not the problem. Okay? I hope I have made it very clear. So please, don't fall for any kind of tips. Don't fall for any kind of things. People will say there is a divergence. Yes, there is a divergence because it is slow. There is a divergence. Yes, there is a divergence here. There is a divergence. Yes, there is a divergence. It is slow. So it can drop and can reverse and can make a triple flat. When it makes a triple flat, you get one more up. Again you get a triple flat. You get one more up. Again you get a triple flat. From there it will come down. So this is very difficult market. Okay. All right. Thank you.